Hi everyone. Today we're diving into servo motors. We'll take a look at two common types, see how they work, and even measure temperature during use. Let's start with this one, the MG995. This is a medium torque servo used in robotic arms, RC cars, and heavy-duty mechanisms. It has 3 wires, brown for ground, red for power, usually 5 volts, orange for the PWM signal. Now this is a micro servo, the SG90. It's smaller, lighter, and used for lightweight tasks like camera gimbals or simple robots. It uses the same wire configuration. We've connected the servo to an Arduino Mega using a breadboard. The signal wire goes to a digital PWM pin. We're using a 5-volt power supply for stable performance. We control servos using a PWM signal. The duty cycle of this signal determines the shaft's position. Typical servos move from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, depending on the pulse width, usually between 1 millisecond and 2 milliseconds. Now we switch to the SG90 with the same setup. It moves smoothly, but with less torque than the MG995, ideal for smaller applications. During operation, we measured the servo's temperature. It reached over 30 degrees Celsius under load, totally normal for extended use. Always monitor temperature if your project requires continuous movement. And that's it. You've seen the difference between a standard servo and a micro servo, plus a complete test using PWM and Arduino. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and check the links below if you'd like to support the channel on PayPal or Patreon. Thanks for watching.